also simulate some other devices like the IOU program. Probably this IOU is actually iOS over Unix. It's a version of iOS compiled inside the Linux program, which is faster as well as lighter than the other emulation programs. Again, GNS3 will not provide you the images or the licenses. Even I don't provide in general. So this is just a tutorial to get some idea on how to use the IOU images. Again, these IOU images can be either layer 2 or layer 3, which allows you to simulate the switching as well as the routing options. So mainly this IOU is something used by Cisco for internal testing purposes. Like most of the CCIE lab exams will be tested on these images. So it's a IOU for the Linux. You need to use something called Linux VM to use it. And probably here again, I'm assuming that your GNS3 is already pre-configured with the integration with GNS3 VM, similar to the other options. So you need an IOU license file. Now this license file is actually a notepad file which you need to link inside the GNS3 to use it. Again, this is not the real license actually, but it will be in the similar format. So you need to save this file. It's a notepad file. Inside, if you go to edit and preferences, you will see an option of iOS on Unix. So probably you need to save this file here. And once you save this license file, then you need to add the IOU image. Again, assuming that you have an IOU image, probably. We go here, IOU devices, and add a new device. And then you need to select, like when I select new, it will ask you the server options. And this only works with the GNS3 VM, probably that option. And click on next. And then you need to browse and select the image inside your computer if you already have the IOU images. And then click on finish. So depending upon the IOU image what we use, you can also simulate the devices. It will show you here. And after that, it will show you in the installed devices. You can drag and drop and use it just like the other devices.